Welcome dear students. Now we are going to start science practical number 2 from science 1. The aim of the experiment is to identify the types of reaction by studying the reaction and recording the observations. First one, combustion of magnesium in air. Second, action of dilute sulfuric acid on zinc, and the third is to heat lead nitrate. For this we require the beaker, test tube, pair of tong, burner, glass rod, etc. that I will show you during the practical. Chemicals, zinc dust, magnesium strip, lead nitrate powder, dilute sulfuric acid. Okay. So, let us start the first one, combustion of magnesium in air. Let us start. First, let us burn the burner. Now, here this is the magnesium ribbon and here this is called tong. Okay. And here you have to hold the magnesium ribbon in the tong like this, hold it carefully and it should be away from your hand. And now, hold the magnesium ribbon on the flame for some time and observe the change. Observe it closely. In Diwali you have burned many crackers. You can see the same type of burning will be there. Now it will start. See here, can you see some sparkles? See here, the sparkles are there. Now it is, see here, it is started burning. So magnesium burns vigorously in the presence of oxygen, and hold it like this till it get burns. Now after this you will see white ash is produced. This white ash is nothing but magnesium oxide. Here magnesium burns in the presence of oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Okay. So this is the combination reaction. You know the reaction, Mg plus O2 gives MgO. Now the second part, action of dilute sulfuric acid on zinc. Okay. Now here I am having the dilute sulfuric acid in the beaker, and instead of zinc dust I am having some are here, metal is there. Okay. Now this I am going to put into the test tube here. Okay, see here. Okay. So I just put the zinc metal in this. Now pour H2SO4, dilute H2SO4 solution into the test tube and observe the close change. See, can you see the bubbles are coming up? See there. Can you see the bubbles? See here. I will show you more. Okay, I will just put more amount of H2SO4 so that the bubbles can be seen little bit upward in direction. See now. Can you see the bubbles? See here, small bubbles are coming up. See. Okay. So here what is the reaction? Zn plus H2SO4, that is zinc plus sulfuric acid, gives rise to zinc sulfate, that is, and plus these bubbles are of hydrogen gas, that is H2. Okay. So this is displacement reaction. Now let us see to heat the lead nitrate. See here, in this bottle you got lead nitrate, that is PbNO3. Okay. Now what you have to do, take one test tube, and in this test tube take small amount of PbNO3 in it like this. Okay, like this is PbNO3. All right. Now before that, again one more thing you have to do, blue litmus paper. Now you have to wet this blue litmus paper. So put this blue litmus paper into water and keep it aside. Okay, or if you want you can keep like this. Now burn the burner. Now This is called test tube holder. In this test tube holder, hold the test tube like this. Okay. Now it is free. Now you have to heat this test tube onto the flame, but how to heat? See, you don't have to keep your test tube constantly on the flame, but you have to slowly stir it like this. And after few seconds, you will see some cracking noise. In that case, now just now you have wet the litmus paper, just put it on the mouth of this test tube here, okay, and observe the color change, and observe the color of the PbNO3 also. So slowly go on heating. So here you will find that oxygen is liberated out, and you can hear the cracking noise also, and now you will see the color change of the litmus paper, that is slowly becoming red. Can you see? See here, it is becoming red. See here. Okay. So if I will heat little bit more, but slowly heat it, okay, otherwise the test tube will burst. See here, now you can see clearly the color change, that is red in color. Okay. So here PbNO3 decomposes to PbO, that is lead oxide, and then NO3 and oxygen. So here you will have the decomposition reaction. You can see the color change properly. This is red in color. Okay.